Here goes Mario into the kangaroo to get a drink. I guess I'll follow her in and get more video. Alright, we're going into kangaroo. Where's Mario? Oh, there's Mario. Where's Mario? Mario! Oh, come here. Oh, Mario getting a free refill. Gosh, I hope that's not my car. Yep, that's my car. Your brother's setting the alarm off on the car. Alright, are we done?